Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 13th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P500, and Nasdaq index. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Look at this. So yes, I was expecting the VIX maybe to go up a little bit to this point here. This was the decent expectation with this decreasing resistance that we were having, but no, look at this. The VIX increased like crazy, so we are up 3.59, 15% increase in the VIX, closed at 27.46. We have big green candle right here, and as I mentioned in the Tesla video, it is probably because the CPI numbers came out with the 8.3% inflation and people were expecting 7.9 or 8, blah blah blah. So then it sent the market into a frenzy. So now we have stochastic over 60. This is an indication that we could be going up very easily. And all of our other indicators are up as they were yesterday, but at least yesterday we were into this downward channel. So we had proof that the VIX was coming down. We had that proof, even though we had our indicators telling us otherwise. We had real proof, but now we don't have that proof anymore. Let's look at Dow Jones. Let's look at what happened with our indices. See, this was we stopped yesterday right smack on resistance, and when this happens, we either break it or we cave into it. And we caved big time today. Look at this caving in. This is extremely low, extremely fast. And we did not have stochastic over 60, so we were not expecting to have a break that much. And if we were going to have a break, then we were not going to believe it that much because we don't have stochastic. So once again, technical analysis is winning the day. It's winning the day. It did not predict exactly what made the things do what they did, but this is the same effect. This is what happened. Let's look at SPX right here. SPX is sometimes doing better than Dow Jones because the Dow Jones had not broken outside of his downward channel, but SPX is just a show off. It's a show off. Yeah, I'm breaking this resistance. I'm very good without stochastic over 60, of course, but yeah, I am better than Dow Jones, blah, 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 but no. In fact, it is exactly the same. And Nasdaq 100, Nasdaq Composite, the same, broke outside, but no, thank you very much, it's back inside. And in terms of the trade, so I did a nice trade today on the 1 hour chart on SPX. I felt lucky. The SPX in terms of options can cost quite a lot because the expiry date is sometimes quite far. Basically, how I played this today is we opened right here with this candle here, and with that candle we had stochastic at 29. This was enough for me to go short and buy a put on SPX. I waited after the first hour because we could have maybe bounced on that support right here at 4,000. But when I saw that in the beginning of the second hour, we started to go down, I bought a put right here, held it with this stop loss right here at this 4,000 line, held it, and I just sold it 15 minutes before the close. In terms of the put cost me $3,500 and I sold it at $7,600. So this was a $3,000 gain that was very quick. This was great, but now SPX is coming close to strong support right here, and it seems to be bouncing a little bit on something because we have a longer wick at the bottom. So anyway, this was a very eventful day today with the VIX doing what it did. It's going to be interesting to see what the VIX is doing tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.